Hello guys, how are you guys doing today? It's me, Secret, and I'm back. To share with you guys my Brushos that I got for Mother's Day. It's been a while since I've been on here. Not too long, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I'm not sure. And again, I had to do the turn on the camera very sneakily on myself. Sneakily? I don't even know the word. Last we left off is we were going to make bracelets, right? I think I'm going to set that aside and not do bracelets today, but what I am going to do, and what I do want to do, is play with my Brushos. And I don't want to wear gloves. I want to get messy. I want to get back into the flow of things and play here with you guys. But I'm going to trade off the jewelry mats that I have. Well, they're not jewelry mats. They're just fabrics. I love to get all painty. And here comes Pups number 1. I want to use this one. Okay, so let's put this all away because I still want to do that project with you guys. As always, it's going to be a long video. If you're short on time and you just want a quick video, please click the cog down below, right around there somewhere. You'll see CC box, that's closed caption box. Then you'll see the HD, and where the HD is, that's the cog. You can click that and then you can speed me up. Otherwise, we're going to do it real time. So many enjoy real time. I enjoy real time. And we're setting up together. And we're going to do this from the beginning. Let me share with you guys what I have. Or what we might play with today. A canvas. 2 canvases. One thinner, one thicker. They have specific names. I don't know them. I don't care to know them because I'll forget anyways. It's not that important. We have my rock, my shell, which when I paint I use my shell always. I use my shell as my palette. And here we have nothing actually. That's for my glasses. Oh my god. We have water. We have water and bleach in one of those cheapy pins. This is for children. The brush is terrible, but it still works. And then I have water and vinegar in here. And my favorite rock. We have our Brushos. Oh, we have our little tiki. Are these called tikis? No, they're just cocktail umbrellas. Dingo. But in this little container I have tack pins. Why is English so rough for me today? Okay, I don't think it's enough tack pins. My daughter purchased these off of Etsy. What the hell ever. I think what happens is I get really cautious about my English because I get corrected so much. You know what? Hell with it. No, but hell with it. I ate the rest of those words, you can tell. So we're going to play. I'm going to bring all of these out. I probably will just toss this box, to be honest. I'm trying to be organized there, and that's not going to happen. I am organized, but in my specific way. So I'm going to... I'm organized in my specific way, but I'm going to sit down. I doubt you heard me sit down. Alright. you're supposed to, or you're instructed to, pop holes on the lids of these Brushos. These Brushos, let's see, where are the colors on these things? Not familiar with them. Okay, right here, Persian blue. You see that? Let me get you in a little. I'm excited to play with these. Never even held the bottles in my life before. So I'm excited to take a look at these. And I'm excited to play with them all, obviously. You guys, I haven't popped into these, played with them, or anything. Okay. Well, if I wanted to open them, how do I open it anyways? Okay, just like that. Do we pull these things off, or you just pull it up? Alright, very cool. You could pull this off. Oh, so pretty. Wow. Now that's some pigment there. Alright. Very cool. Whatever's on my finger, I'm going to let it go there. Okay. So I'm going to pop the holes in here like we're supposed to. I need to go purchase some more of these tacks, push pins, tacks. I'm just randomly going to shove the tacks in whatever one I just grab. 4th of July is coming and I am not looking forward to it. I really do think, okay, the meaning behind 4th of July, I don't know the history on it too much. But what I'm saying is I don't like all the fireworks and all the dogs getting scared and stuff like that. I can't handle it. I don't like it. So that's what's coming up. How do you guys like 4th of July? This should have been a video on how to open Brushos. You know what, I think I'm just going to end the video as soon as I pop all of the holes in here, and I'll just name the video how to open Brushos, and then we'll start up a new video. That's what we'll do. Okay. So you're supposed to leave the tacks in there. And another idea that someone had was to make the lid into a salt shaker. So you would basically pop a few holes on the top and then use it as a salt shaker. I was thinking that I'd transfer some of these into salt shakers. So we'll see if I do that or not. If I find a good deal on them, or if I happen to find some, because usually what I do is if I think of something and I put it out there in the universe, I end up finding them on the side of the sidewalk, or somebody gifts them to me, or somebody has extras or something like that. Oh, let's see. So maybe we'll see. We'll see. Okay, so I'll come right back and then we'll start playing with water, alcohol, water, and bleach. Something like that. Alright, we'll be back.